Welcome to my demo class. Let us know about something about you.
I am doing a job as an assistant teacher, ICT.
I'm pursuing BSc in Computer Science and Engineering.
I'm Opitondo. You can call me Opi. And now I'm studying BSS Honors in Economics at Chittagong University.
I'm Monosha Hauntu. I live in Chittagong and I completed my MBA in Premier University.
A contraction is a short form of word or combination of words that is often used instead of the full form in spoken English. He is a talented person. So I'm not saying he is a talented person.
He's a talented person.
He's bought a car.
He's bought a car.
Yeah. Instead of saying he has bought a car, we can use he's bought a car.
She's
Good.
been to Australia.
She's been to Australia. So she's been means she has been to Australia. There's no place like home.
There's no place like home.
Thank you all for joining this session, and thank you, the participants, for supporting me in this session.